Hello guys, in this video we will talk about how to stake INJ token from OKX. OKX is a centralized exchange birge. This guide provides step-by-step instruction on how to transfer and delegate INJ tokens with OKX. For this tutorial you will need an OKX account, MetaMask account, Injective wallet and INJ in your OKX account. We choose assets like INJ, but in your case you can use any asset that you want, but with the Injective network. Okay, go to OKX official site, click on the withdraw button and go to this page. Select the crypto asset that you would like to withdraw. In our case is Injective. Next we choose select withdraw method on chain, click next, choose enter our Injective wallet address. To do this we need to go to Hub Injective network, click connect our wallet, click MetaMask, copy our Injective wallet address and return to OKX. This copied wallet address ensures that matched network is Injective. Select Injective network, memo is doesn't matter in this case, and enter the amount of tokens that you want to withdraw. In our case is 1. Next you will need to pay a small INJ transaction fee to transfer assets from OKX to Injective. If you need Injective to cover your transaction fee, please visit one of the community INJ file sets. Click next and complete the following verification to continue and click confirm. Next click OK, navigate back to Injective Hub, click wallet to view your transfer assets, see staking, delegate now, delegate that asset that you want, confirm our transaction and see that we successfully staked.